My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I know that I had promised you an e.l.f. haul and an e.l.f. full makeup look, and so today I'm going to do the haul portion of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this a separate video or if I'm going to include this in the actual get ready with me e.l.f. full face makeup first impression video, because that's what I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a full face of makeup, and it's going to be my first impressions, because a lot of this stuff that I'm going to show you in this haul I've never tried before. It's still packaged up. I haven't unwrapped most of it. I think I've opened up one or two of the things because I actually needed it, because I had run out of, I think it was eyebrow pencil. But I only used it that one time, and now I'm back to using my Milani until I do my e.l.f. video. So anyway, yeah, sorry, I'm just wearing an old t-shirt right now. I was doing a DIY, what do you call it, tie-dye craft project with my granddaughters, Danielle, who's 11, Cassidy, who's 9, and I also have a 1-year-old Petrova granddaughter, and now I have a 2-month-old granddaughter named Zoe. But anyway, let me show you. We made a project. I bought them all white t-shirts and tie-dyed with permanent markers and alcohol. So this is what I created for my shirt. It's just, it says Glama, and Cassidy signed it, and my granddaughter Danielle signed it. And in the back, I drew makeup. So yeah, I know it's not the best, but I couldn't think of what to do. So what's always on my mind? Makeup. So anyway, alrighty, so let's get started with this haul. Now this haul took place in probably 2 or 3 Walmart visits. And I combined them into 2 bags. So here are the 2 bags of makeup. I'm going to empty one into the other so that when I'm done showing you the product, I'll throw it into the empty bag, okay? Okay, so I emptied out one bag, and it's all in this bag now. Yeah, it's all in here now. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to talk about this a little bit more, and I might even make a short list either somewhere on the side right here or on the description bar down below when I do the full face of makeup using this product. I'll let you know which other products that I've heard of that are cruelty-free. When I first started using e.l.f. makeup, it was a few videos back. I told everyone how much I loved it, how inexpensive it was, and while I was actually putting on some of that e.l.f. product, I was thinking, man, I wish that it was a cruelty-free company. If cruelty-free companies really want us to start using cruelty-free makeup, they should make it more affordable. Well, I seriously was thinking that in my head while I was putting on the makeup. And then in some of the comments below that video, someone said, yeah, I love e.l.f. too, and it's cruelty-free. And so I'm like, what? So then I went and started doing research, and sure enough, it is definitely cruelty-free. And I found out a few other companies that I love that are also cruelty-free. So I'll be talking about that in my in the next part of this video when I'm actually doing the full face of using this e.l.f. makeup. So I'll talk about all that. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm combining this one and that video together, but we'll see, won't we? It depends how long this video is. If it's too long, I might make it a separate video. So anyway, I'm just so happy that it's cruelty-free, because I would really, really love to start using 100% cruelty-free makeup. So, because I love animals. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is an e.l.f. eyeliner pen that I got right here. And it's in the color black. So yeah, I'm going to try that. Very inexpensive. I don't have the price for it. I wish I would have kept the receipts for everything. I have some receipts, but without my glasses, I wouldn't even be able to read it anyway. I bought an e.l.f. matte lip color. This one is in the color Praline, and this is what the color should look like right there. So yeah, I haven't decided which one I'm actually going to use for my full face of first impression e.l.f. makeup. This one is also matte, and it's in the color Tea Rose. So there's the difference right there. I don't know if it's focused. So there's those two, and I think I got a couple more colors. Here's the matte e.l.f. lipstick in Berry Sorbet right here, and this one is in the color matte. Okay, so there's 4 lipsticks. I have to, maybe I'll swatch them and decide later, but I haven't opened them up yet. The next thing I bought is this e.l.f. Quad palette, and the palette is called Smoky, and so it has mostly grays. See? So yeah, I haven't decided on the eye look yet, so I bought a couple of quads. This one is called Matte for Plum, so it's got plum colors. Okay, so here's the 2. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use yet. Okay, let's throw those in there. I'm not sure if I got more eyeshadows. Let me see. Oh, I did get another one. This one is called Golden Goddess. So there's these colors. More neutral, natural color. And the next thing I got is Perfect Blend Concealer in the color Light Beige. So I'll be trying this. The next thing this is what I opened. I opened up the brow pencil because I had run out, but I only used it once, I promise. So I'm still going to give you my first, well, I guess it'll be my second impression on this. And what color is it? It doesn't have a color. Oh no, it does. It's a taupe, T-A-U-P-E. It's in the color taupe. Excuse me. Right now what I'm using for my eyebrows is Milani, also in the color taupe. Okay, Milani is also cruelty-free. Yay! The next thing I bought is Baked Highlighter in the color Moonlight Pearls. This is what this looks like. I know it's not focused. There. Moonlight Pearl. So I hope it's pigmented enough. The next thing I bought, I bought another eyebrow pencil. This one isn't opened. This one is in the color Neutral Brown, right here. And I've been using, and I've used it on videos in the past, I've been using the liquid eyeliner, but I've been using it in the color Charcoal, which is what I have on right now. So this is the Charcoal, and this one is in Jet Black. So I'm really excited to try the black, because that's usually what I use. And let me see, what else do I have? I bought 3-in-1 mascara in the color Very Black. And I bought e.l.f. HD Sheer Powder. So here's the packaging in there. I'll open it all up when I get ready to use it. And I bought Beautiful Bare Foundation Serum in the color Light Medium. So I hope that's the right color. I hope so. Because basically that's like a big part of the get ready with me is the foundation, the concealer. And the next thing I bought is a poreless face primer. It's a light pink, and it says it's clear, so it's not going to come on. It's not going to show up pink, I mean. The next thing I bought were a natural lash kit. Doesn't really have a name or anything. It's number 1713, so if we end up liking them, I'll remind you later what the number is, but they look pretty natural. Let me see if I can get them to focus. There. And the next thing I bought, the next 3 things that I bought aren't makeup, they're brushes that I've been wanting to try and I can't wait to try them. This one is a contouring brush, but you see, yeah, so it's flat right here. See, it's a nice contouring brush for right here. Yay. And that's perfect to get like over here and over here. I can't wait to try that. And then the next thing is a foundation brush. Yeah. The glare, sorry about the glare. And the next thing I'm really excited to try, sorry I've got a hair on my nose or something. It's a face brush. It says it's a sculpting face brush, but the reason why I bought it, you see how it kind of dips down right there? And you know how I put highlighter on my cheekbone? I just feel like that dipping part right there will fit perfectly onto my cheekbone, and it's going to give me the perfect spot or the perfect placement for my highlighter. So I'm really excited about this brush. Like I said, that one's called a sculpting face brush. So it sculpts to your cheekbone, at least to my cheekbone. That's where I'm going to use it. So all right, this isn't that long of a video. I just might combine this over to my Get Ready With Me, because so far it's only 11 minutes. Yay! Alrighty. Oh, and I did buy one more thing at Walmart, and I'm going to make this a separate video. And it's going to look so funny on me, and I'll probably put it on and then take the thumbnail picture with it on so that I look kind of creepy, kind of like, what's the name of that scary movie? Jason or something? Halloween movie or something? Anyway, it's Collagen Hydrogel Gold Mask, and it says for all skin types, and it's supposed to help with skin tightening, elasticity, intensive care. So yeah, we're supposed to put the whole mask on our face. Let me see if I can show it. Get it to focus. Focus, focus, focus. But yeah, I'm going to end up looking really funny with the mask on. But you're supposed to put it on and then leave it on for 20 minutes, so that'll probably get really sped up when I have this on. But it feels really squishy, and I'm really excited to try it. Anything that's going to help with my skin at my age. I'm 52, as you all know, or maybe some of y'all are new to this channel and don't know that I'm 52 years old, and I'm trying everything that I can to grow old gracefully and keep my skin looking young. So yeah, any tips that y'all might have for me. What I do right now that many of y'all know about is I use, what do I use? Castor oil. I use castor oil. I first started using it for my eyebrows to thicken them up and my eyelashes, but then I just started putting it all over my face when I did more research and found out that it's really good for elasticity and fine lines and moisturizing and stuff like that. So okay, that concludes the e.l.f. haul portion of this video. Stay tuned, and I'm going to come back makeup free. I'm probably not going to make the second part of this video until either tomorrow, which is Saturday, or Monday. I've been super busy, so I'm glad that I was finally able to sit down and even show you this, make this video, because my son got married Sunday, April 2nd, so last Sunday. And yeah, last Sunday? Yes, last Sunday. And so I put that whole wedding together outside. It was an outdoor wedding on a budget. I put it together in like 2 days because their baby's been in NICU for 2 months, and they just said, you know, they've had their license for a while and they just haven't had time to go and actually get married because they've been busy in NICU, spending a lot of time in there. And so that's why I haven't been able to film, because I've been up in the NICU department of the hospital, you know, almost every other day, or sometimes it was only once or twice a week, but I tried to make it up there as much as possible, and been still very slowly unpacking my house, unpacking boxes from storage, bringing them here, and every time I straighten up a room, we bring more boxes and I have to figure out where to put all that now, so it's like, and just getting the baby here, and just I've been making signs, I've been buying gifts, I've been visiting the baby, I've been helping Jemmy, you know, bring the baby home, and Dad bring the baby home, and just all kinds of goodies, all kinds of exciting stuff. But now finally, life has calmed down a little bit. So yay! I'll be able to film more for this channel and my crochet channel. And so yeah. Alright, so now it's 15 minutes, darn it. I don't know if I should make this a separate video. I don't know. Okay, maybe I will make this a separate video. I think I will just go ahead and upload this. Alrighty, so next video you'll see from me is the actual get ready with me full face of e.l.f. first impressions, okay? Alrighty, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.